Hey, what's good, YouTube? Gary here. This is G-Town Bricks. Today we are going to be putting together the Carpool Lowrider set from CitizenBrick. So let's get to it. Alright, so a little bit of bonus content for you. This just arrived from Lego Shop at Home. And I got an email from Lego like 2 days ago stating that the ATV Otter set was shipping. Now, if you hadn't seen my January 1st haul video, two items didn't ship. One was ATV Otter, the other was the Nissan Skyline GTR. So instead of waiting, I went to the Lego store, bought a Skyline. So this other Skyline that's coming, I'm going to be giving away. And all you have to do is go to that haul video. I'll link that in the description. Comment, and you can win either the Skyline or the Blacktron. So it'll be 2 giveaways. Whoever's first place can choose which one, and then second place will get the other one. But all that to say, I hope that Lego did not send me this little bitty 4+ or 6+, whatever it is, this Otter in this big old box. I'm hoping there's something else in here. Like, I still have some orders from Pick a Build or whatever it's called. I'm hoping they threw that in there as well. So let's see. So what do you know? Big old box. Just a little bitty 5+. So 1 4+, 1 6. It's a 5+ set. 60394 ATV and Otter Habitat. Oh, when it comes with those fish. I may put this together as well, but we'll get to the. Hey Levi. So we'll open this up and let's put this together. All right, just a quick inventory of these products. So this is all the brick stuff, lights and sound effects. Come 2 batteries, parts, and then these are the minifigs. We'll take a look at them a little later on. And on with the build. All right, so I finished the build. Here's the truck, well, the car. But I'm missing this piece right here. I'll have to go through my own inventory to find that. And you get the instructions. Where's my... So if you scan this, you get the instructions here, or you go to the website. I opted to go to the website so I could do it on my computer. But now you have, at the very end is where you put the lights and everything. So now I have to take this thing apart to add the lights. So let's do that. Alright, so we're going to pause through this video for a minute. This is a completely different day, day 2. Today's actually Levi's birthday. He turns 4 today. It's crazy. Crazy how fast time flies. But I'm also doing this because I just got a package. I believe it's from Lego. Let's see what's in it. Alright, let's open this guy up. Alright, would you look at that? So one lucky winner will get this. Brand new in box. All you gotta do is subscribe and comment on the video in the link below. You know what? Let's. I'm gonna pull out my Skyline and the completed Lowrider, and just to give a comparison of size. Alright, so comparison time here. So this is it 8? Yeah. So 8 studs wide. Slightly larger. And then compared to Joker's Lowrider, it's slightly shorter. They go well together. You know what I'm saying? They can cruise down the street. And let me turn the lights on. Alright, here we go with the lights on. And what took me so long yesterday, well last night, is I couldn't figure out how to get these lights working. I guess I had already plugged them up, so there was no real signal going, so I had to just push the button in. Once you push the button, it's got different settings here, so does that turn it off? What does that do? That turns it on. I think you gotta hold it down. There you go. So you hold it down, the music starts playing. I don't know if you could pick that up, and then the lights flash. That's a pretty cool set. So let me pull out one last vehicle. Alright, finally I have the Mystery Machine. Now this is the first vehicle I believe that I had lights on. And this is also from Brick Stuff, which I got years ago, maybe 5-6 years ago. So same battery. So, and I probably haven't turned this on in 2 years. So let's just see if these lights hold up. Do they work? I don't think they work. Oh, they do work. Look at that. Still going. Must be energizers or something. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What else? Oh, I wanted to compare the minifigs. Let's do that. So I did end up finding that translucent red stud, so we're all good, CitizenBrick. Alright, so these minifigs here, first off we got M, aka Rabbit. I guess that's Mom Spaghetti on his shirt. I don't know how he fits in with West Coast. I guess Detroit is West Coast now. That's all good. And then we have, I don't know who this is. I should know, I guess. Let me know. I'm curious. Let me know in the comments who this is. Who both of these guys are. This guy and this guy. I like these tattoos, though. I got married young. I got married at 19. So, my wife she won't let me get tats. I've been tatless for 25 years. And then finally we got Tupac here, Thug Life. Looks like he got some Timbs on. So I was going to do a comparison. Let me do a comparison with Minifig Code's Tupac. If Faith had twins, she probably had two Pacs. Get it? Two Pacs? So, you know, he got more chains, it looked like, over here. And this little bandana piece, I've heard It's broken off on some people. I'm trying to think. Did mine break? I can't tell. You know, they both came with mics. These guys both have Timbs on. And just what the heck, you know, let's bring out Easy. He's a little short leg. Somebody really needs to do like the whole NWA. I need that. Alright, we're just gonna throw them in the ride and we're gonna call this a night. Alright, one thing I didn't mention is when I was taking these pieces off in order to get the lights in, I didn't put them back because I forgot where they went. I guess I could go through the instructions again, but I didn't want to. Also, these speakers that are supposed to go in the trunk, I couldn't get them and the whatever the expansion board is. I couldn't get all that and the wires. I didn't get the trunk closed, so speakers just. So I'm just gonna have some other speakers, you know. But let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, and holla at me in the next video. Peace.